All right, ladies and gentlemen, tell them this is war.
This is war.
Close
But
enough.
not real life war.
No. What kind of war?
Like game war.
Game war. This is game war. Now, if you have the match to that, you put it down.
Okay, me have match to this.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see me find the first card. I don't know if it... Matter of fact, I don't play cards, so I don't know if I find out card like you. They're not big like you.
There's a quiet shift in the air, something delicate and unnoticed at first, but always there. It's not the words that are spoken, but the spaces that remain, a stillness that speaks in ways the voice never could. Two worlds so close, yet never quite touching. The rhythms never fully in sync, even when the same song plays. One moves with the pulse of a place rich and untamed, its beats wild and unpredictable. The other moves to a softer, steadier tempo, familiar and comfortable, yet distant in its own way. In these moments, the melody falters, not in discord, but in the subtle differences between the notes. Each step, each gesture, feels like an attempt to find a harmony that lingers just out of reach. There's no harsh dissonance, no sharp clash, but rather a quiet absence, as if something is always left unsaid, a question unasked. It's a dance of sorts, one that doesn't require words, but still leaves a kind of yearning in the silence that follows. The space between is not a void, but a river flowing gently, its current neither threatening nor silent, but persistent, carrying with it the weight of things unseen. Both try to cross, yet the path remains unclear, the water deep in places, shallow in others, but always moving, always shifting. The distance isn't an obstacle to be overcome, but a rhythm to be learned, a way of understanding that doesn't require full comprehension of the shore on the other side. And yet, there is something in the movement itself, a quiet promise that even in the not quite knowing, there is growth. The space between isn't something to fear, but something to embrace. It's in the moments of uncertainty that the truest connections are forged, not by closing the gap, but by learning to navigate it together. There is hope in the distance because it teaches the patience to listen, to learn, to reach, even when the rhythm feels unfamiliar. In time, perhaps the melody will change, and the song will feel a little more familiar, a little more in tune. Until then, the journey itself, with all its quiet spaces, holds a kind of beauty all its own. Whatever. Whoever ends with it in the end is the one that doesn't win.
Race car.
Choose wisely.
What are you trying to say?
Yeah! Yay! Good game.
No, because a thief.
I chose correctly. You're leaving me hanging.
No, because she had the one. I know that I should put the one, that one at the.
Yay! Sup. You guys still say sup? You don't say sup? Sup was cool when I was a kid. Speaking of cool, Dave. A subscriber friend of ours, Miss Teresa, wanted to wish you a little late birthday present.
Thank you, Miss Carita,
Teresa.
Teresa, for this month.
So you like that like auto-programmed AI bot controlled statements? We're gonna let him try again. A little more sincere and from the heart. I don't know what that means, but that's what people say. So Dave, buddy, let's try a little more genuineness, maybe a little more not autopilot, computer robot. Think about what you want to say. We don't have to do everything in front of your brothers. And yeah, like, look at what it is, think about what you could use it for, and then we'll share a statement. A statement will be made with coffee.
Right?
Oh, I'm ready.
Thank you, Miss Terita, for this money. I really appreciate it, and I'm going to buy. I think I'm going to buy a phone case with it. Thanks again.
You see how that was like a little bit better, a little bit different, a little bit more genuine? Cool. Thank you, Dave. Yeah, a bit of a gloomy morning. Cloudy, windy. I guess there's some rain too. Not sure what's gonna happen today. I had thought originally we would try to find some literal blank canvases and have a little painting session with everybody, but I'm not sure if I know where to find blank canvases around here, so that's gonna be something to search for, assuming we can trudge through the inclement weather. Until then, Sonia's off to making the laundry clean again, and Junior's here to say good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What's new?
Hmm?
What's new?
No.
Can you spell environment?
Hmm?
Can you spell environment?
Environment. ENVIRONT.
MENT. Yeah. Yeah, 25 spelling words? 28? How many? 30? 30 spelling words by Monday. That was one of the more harder ones. More harder? Oh, I'm losing it. Double comparative.
And I play bud like you.
Sure, Junior. Sure.
Please, it's in the table to clean now. The TV stand.
Do you have any suggestions?
The dirty body. Put them in the office. You know, you all clean room, wonderful. Put them
We
play.
don't have any more plugs. That's the problem.
Well, then charge.
When they are charged,
Yes,
you want them
the-
stored somewhere else.
Yes. When them charge, put them on it. But you know why? They don't know if you know if nowhere clean.
Oh,
I'm tired. They don't know if it's nothing clean. Then Junior took up your iPad off his ground, right? We plug in. And he just scatter the other rest, them drop off them iPad off and just left the sea and wait. That's not nice.
it's not. Did you tell him to pick them up?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like some breakfast? I was gonna wear those today. I was gonna wear those today.
What?
I was gonna wear those for my workout today.
Sorry, you find something else.
Saturday morning. Sonia's treating this like a Wednesday. It's crazy. It's cold. It's It's windy. It's rainy.
No, so not cold though.
It's not?
No.
What is it?
No.
Refreshing? Boy, brisk. I'm going to use the word brisk. Just had an epiphany. Now I know why they called it brisk iced tea. Never knew until now. Coffee's only half gone. Sure you don't want any breakfast? See you soon. Sometimes that river water gets a little rough, little rapids. You gotta tread lightly. Put on a life jacket, right, Dave? Or have some more coffee. I miss. Know what I miss, Dave? You don't even know. He's hard at work. I miss Saturday morning cartoons. You ever have Saturday morning cartoons? No? Saturday?
Maybe
One time you had them? Yeah, dude. Saturday morning cartoons. Those were the thing. Got up, had a big old bowl of sugar, and you sat for a couple hours staring at the tube. Saturday morning. And the commercials. It's Nerf or nothing. Oh man, they had such great commercials. All the little toys kids wanted. Those were the days. Now it's cool breeze and palm trees. And iPads and coffee. Yeah, like part of me wants to be like, get off the iPad, go get something productive done. Blah. And then the other part of me is like, when I was your age, because I'm old enough to say that. I'm 40. I can say that now. Officially. Like, dude, we used to chill Saturday mornings, watch the cartoons for a couple hours at least, I'm sure. Some of my classics, Rugrats. I got the theme song in my head right now. Don't judge me. You also had Doug. So Doug is interesting. I'm going to go on a little tangent right now. Doug was interesting because Doug, it was Doug and Patty Mayonnaise and Skeeter and the dog, whatever the dog's name was. But then Doug moved to Disney, and Doug changed. But I don't know. Those are the days. Rugrats and Doug. What's up, little man? You don't even know about Saturday morning cartoons, do you? Okay. Oh, shout out to those who know the ultimate classic. Salute Your Shorts. Oh my gosh. So, you ever heard of Salute Your Shorts? Donkey Lips and Buttnick and the other characters. There was one. The coffee's talking. There was one episode of Salute Your Shorts that was like a scary episode. It was Zeke the plumber, and I was terrified of it. It took many years to be able to get through that one. Yeah, if you ever get bored, I'm sure it's on YouTube. Man, Saturday morning cartoons. Those were the days. Man, who needs Saturday morning cartoons? You got Saturday morning homework that you never did on Friday night. Greg. Good luck. Thanks. Thanks for homework. Slowly but surely, with more coffee. Wait, before I forget. So the tomatoes, yeah, weren't super thrilled about life in general, but we managed to salvage a few, and there will be tomatoes. All is not lost. Yes, we did it. We birthed some tomatoes. Blurry or not, they are ripening as we speak. Yeah. And peppers. Why is it an open circle? Because it's not equal to. Okay, now is it less than or greater than?
So,
Is it less than or greater than?
less than,
Craig,
greater than.
it's going up. It's getting larger. It is greater than. Yeah, but you only have 2 guesses to make. This is greater than. So yes, it's an open circle to the right here. The same process for every single one. Get the letter by itself by doing the opposite of what's happening to
So,
it.
right that one.
What about it? You got 6. How do you get rid of 6? Do you add or take away?
Take away.
Okay, and then whatever you do to one side, you got to do the other.
So, I take away.
Did you take away 6 on the other side? So you're left with x is less than or equal to negative 12 and a negative 6. If they have the same side, do you add them together or do you subtract?
Subtract.
Craig, they're the same sign. They're both negative numbers.
It will be 14.
Negative 12 plus another negative 6.
This way I do now.
Negative 12 and negative 6. How many total negatives do you have? Saturday morning homework. With coffee, much needed. We did it. We did it. That was, come on, we could do better than that. We could do better than that. That, almost there. Okay, okay.
We get to that time.
Good job, bud. Good job, we did it. Sup?
We just done our workout.
Yes, we did. And we're learning about friendships today, right?
Yep.
What do we learn about friendships today?
Working out.
We can work out together, yeah. But like, what happens if somebody wants to do one thing and then somebody else wants to do another thing? What do friends do?
Just make the friends do what the other person wants to do,
And then what?
and then the other person do what the other person want to do.
Yeah, so I wanted to work out.
Yeah.
Andre wanted to play cards.
Yeah.
And
I
I made Andre pancakes this morning.
Yeah.
He said thank you. And so then we decided to do what?
work out.
We decided to work out so that after we're done working out, we could do what?
Play cards.
Play cards. And so, yeah, sometimes friends don't always want to do the same thing, but if one does one thing for one person, then they can do the other thing for the other. Yes, go ahead.
I have to make me play this. Thank you.
Sure. And now we're gonna play war, because that's what friends do. And just when we were about to start playing, Andre remembered something very important. Andre? What's super important?
Check the eggs if you're over the eggs to play.
Uh-oh, what does it say?
You have to be over 4+ to play.
Are you 4+?
Yes, I am.
Am I 4+?
Yes, you are.
Then can we play?
Are the phone 4+?
Are the people watching 4+?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
There probably are, yeah. All right, can we play now?
Yes, you can.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, tell them this is war.
This is war.
Close
But
enough.
not real life war.
No. What kind of war?
Like game war.
Game war. This is game war. Look, Craig, only 3 left. Uh-oh, that's not good. Craig's got 2. Uh-oh. Craig's got 1. Oh, the suspense.
No, money one on my car.
Take a random kite. All right. Choose carefully. Play it. Oh no, it's a war. Paper, rock, scissors. Hey, puppies, out. Paper, rock, scissors. One only. Paper, rock, scissors. Oh, he's still alive. Let's go. Oh no. We'll play later, yes. Oh no, Craig. Last one. Oh, Craig. Good game, Craig. Good game. And then there were 2. Oh, 4 for you. All right, if you win this one, you win. Can I beat a 5? Oh, still alive. 2 to 4. What do you got? What do you got? Can I beat a 2? Ooh, 3 to 4. Can I beat a 1? 4. Last one. Can I beat a 7? Hamana. Oh! Good game. Ah, good game. Woo! Victory is mine. Still got it. Got to give Andre a papaya update. And he doesn't even know where the papayas are. Andre, where's the papayas, dude?
Where?
Seriously? Yes, that's 1. Can you find any more? Junior's found the second one. Andre, hold on.
1, 2,
That's number 3.
4,
4, 5, 6, 7. There's 2 more. 8 and 9. Cool. Don't step on them. Let's get some eggs. How many do you see?
A lot.
Okay, that's 1. How many is that?
2.
2,
2 more.
3, 4. Any more?
5.
How many total?
5.
Cool.
5
All right.
eggs today.
How many?
5 eggs today.
Nice.
And 5 chicken.
That means how many eggs did each chicken lay?
1.
Good. Hi. Where are you guys going? Well, I'm gonna go up there first. Careful what you wish for, they say. Careful what you wish for. preferably in English next time. Yeah, like, I know, let's have a Saturday with the boys, frolicking and not cussing and yelling. Junior, you see all that chicken food that's on the ground?
Yeah.
How do you and I both know how that got there, but yet you still leave it there?
Not me. Because when we are sharing up, when we are sharing up, this, I will put this scoop in there, and we are sharing it drop on ground.
Okay, so you just leave it on the ground?
Yeah.
That's my question. Okay, well when we get back, you pick it up.
Yeah.
Because I don't like that you're treating it like the dinner table, dude. That's rude. Like, this is not for Junior to make a mess. If your responsibility is to feed the chickens, not the ground. So when we get home, you clean it up. All day long, you'll have good luck.
What?
Exactly. Right? Junior, you're not going in the front. Andre. I don't know. I can do this, I can do this. It's a Saturday. We are creating a cool, calm, comfortable environment filled with joy and rapids.
Thank you, Miss Teresa, for the money again. I got a Tom with the money. It is for $400 Jamaican.
Gonna be a Saturday trip to Highgate without the peanuts. God, boys are off to Peanutville. Really? Andre, you're going the wrong way. Oh boy. Oh, I see him. Getting the peanuts. Hopefully. So, the boys are having a little boy time and I'm having a little peace and quiet time, and we're gonna meet on the other side of the Highgate. I'm trying to figure out what is a healthy food item we can pair with chicken nuggets. I offered mashed potatoes, although not super nutritious, you know, better than French fries. It got shot down. And then they were like, mac and cheese, and I was like, well, we could put vegetables in the mac and cheese, but we all know they're gonna leave the vegetables all on the plate and just eat the mac and cheese. So curious, yeah, what do you pair with nuggets to boost the nutritional value? We're having slices of cucumbers at this point and tomato, maybe a veggie salad with some, I don't know, we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Saturday traffic in Highgate, man. All right. Alright, it's official. We got salad dressing. So we're gonna make a salad with dressing. It's gonna be great. Hopefully. Gentlemen, I've got good news.
Yeah.
Guess what I found?
What?
Salad dressing.
Really?
It's in the car. Here, I'll show you a picture. Hi, we gotta run and go get... Where are you guys going? For pain? Yeah, salad dressing for pain. Okay. We got to go get some vegetables to put in the salad. I saw some lettuce up there by the chicken guy, so let's roll. Or stay here, either way. Okay, applied math question, gentlemen.
Everybody get
Oh, by the way, Dave was wrong. I got bags of lettuce for $150. Shout out. Ooh, we're gonna eat well. You said 600, Dave, a pound. Although that might be close actually, because these are really light. We got tomatoes. We got lettuce. We got carrots, and we have a math problem. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good job, Junior. I don't have to put in an after the fact sound effect. Buy one, get one free. French and ranch dressing.
French are wrong, yes.
Junior? Okay. If it was $1,000 for both of these bottles, how much does one bottle cost?
1,000.
Both of them together cost 1,000.
5 is.
How did you get that answer?
Because 1,000 5 is and 5 is make 1,000.
Okay, so what operation would I use? Add,
Plus.
subtract, multiply, or divide?
Plus.
I started with 1,000. How could I plus and get to 500?
Started with 1,000.
Yes, it cost me $1,000 for 2.
Yeah.
So how do I get to 500? What do I have to do to that 1,000?
Divide.
Divide by what?
Divide by 10.
By 2.
How many bottles are there?
2.
2. Okay. Good job. And that has been your math problem for today. You're welcome.
So we are going to tell you now where we get a better store. Better store. So we get pineapple
Tell them what it's for.
to put in the smoothie.
Uh-huh.
American apples.
Ooh.
What is?
What do you call it?
Papaya.
Papaya.
Papaya,
Cucumber.
cucumber.
And no.
Seriously, guys? This is local.
Callaloo.
Wow, yeah. So not all of it's going in the smoothie. I'll let you decide what's going to happen, but I think we could put some cucumber in the smoothie. You're not going to taste it. We'll peel it first. Oh, yeah. Because we got frozen strawberries from a couple weeks ago that I promised we were going to make smoothies. So that's it. Going healthy or going home or both after we get our seatbelts on.
Strawberry sweet.
Yes.
So.
Anyway, here we go. All right, gentlemen. So, I am recording. I'm just recording me. Nope, they can't see you, Andre. You gotta be this tall to ride the ride. Anyway, yeah, we have a job to do. We are here to make a smoothie. Andre, I will turn it around. Yes, they're there too. And we have to figure out what exactly is going to go in the smoothie. So, gentlemen, we can't take all of the stuff, but we're going to try. So, here we go. Here's the things that we get to choose from. Are you ready? All right, Andre, what's the first item?
Banana.
Banana. Okay, Junior, what's the next item?
Apple.
Foreign American apples. I know. Andre, what's the next item?
Pineapples.
Pineapples. Junior, what's the next one?
Cucumber.
Some cucumbers or cucumbers.
Onion.
Andre, next one.
Papaya.
Papayas. And what's the last one?
Apple.
We already talked about apples, dude.
Banana.
We talked about bananas.
Milk.
Milk. You guys forgot the main ingredient. Oh, no, Andre. We need that for later. I just didn't cut them all because they start turning brown really fast. What's the other ingredient we didn't remember?
The ice.
Better than ice.
Milk.
Better than milk.
It coffee smoothie.
Better than the cups for the smoothie.
It juice.
Better than juice.
It water.
Better than water.
It blending machine.
We do have a blending machine. And we have a lid, which is also important. But what's in here?
Nuggets.
Junior, we're not putting nuggets in the smoothie. There is nuggets in here, but there's something else that the whole reason we were going to make smoothies. Packed with antioxidants. Did you know that? Sweet. Okay, first time smelling a strawberry. Are you sure you're ready for this? Okay, hands down, noses up. Smell the strawberry. What does it smell like?
It smells like tongue, strawberry tongue.
It smells like strawberry tang, okay.
It smells like sugar.
Hi, there is sugar in here. Yeah, your favorite.
Smell.
Okay, gentlemen, take a piece. Take a piece. Try it. Don't just swallow it right away. Keep it in your mouth. Taste it. Andre, put it in your mouth. Just put it in. Put it in, man. Ooh, I taste sugar. It tastes sweet. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Go, quick. All right, we're ready to start the smoothies. Let's go. Smoothie time. Try a piece. Andre, you already got a piece. Let the other boys try it. No, Andre, it's going in the smoothie. That is a strawberry. No, eat it, dude. It's a strawberry.
The strawberry is sweeter.
It is. You gotta leave it in your mouth, dude. It's frozen. You didn't even try it. Wow, Dave. Where did it go, Dave? Where did it go? It's cold, huh? Yeah, it's frozen. Andre, I love you so much, but... Really, Dave? Wow. Good? Not good? It's a strawberry, dude. It's packed with antioxidants. All right, let's make some smoothie. Happy smoothies! Yay! Ooh. It's not horrible, Dave. What do you think, man? What do you think?
Good. Yep.
So we had smoothies. Yes, we had smoothies. Then the ice cream guy showed up. And I'm reminding myself, we had smoothies. We actually haven't got ice cream from him in quite a while, so moderation. And lettuce and salads coming for dinner. Hopefully. Wait, Mario has the money. So go get ice cream. What's up?
Goes on then you have Miss Sweetie, okay, Miss Sweetie. Over there, sir. And then when we reach in there, he cleared over, then they have now one equal over one. So we go over across the street. Over there, so go buy. So here we are now. So you go buy 3 cleared over there, so cleared over whatever they want here. Over there that's shiny, and then we say, alright, then I no glue. So go back over the other side and go buy glue. And then when we go pay for glue, one woman use her credit card or whatever card she have and pay for our stuff them. Then through each Chinese woman and make stuff or something, then the woman take up a receipt with $100 and then she go say, I no pay her receipt, but then she take $100 and I no pay her neither. So when she come out of the store, I took up my things and just take her and walk out of the store and say, lady, miss, I think so, no, I'm money. You know, if you remember, so I say, lady in the pink. And she now don't want to say, so I just walk up to her and touch her and say, miss, the $100 is mine, thank you. Yes, miss, I was. She gave us the money? Of course, then you're enough. Oh, sorry, I thought it was mine because I forgot that I used credit card and paid them, so they always take money.
Miss, and you're teaching us to love. We love pussy.
Really? So you know, I just walk away with it. They want to walk out fast, you know, me actually want to take my store and take it. But how do you know why they take walk out so fast with it? I don't know if you are.
Hey.
Yeah, our school them have one gear called grab no mix.
Grab me the mix, man.
Grab no mix. Says if you want
She
chicken,
said, no, she give back the money.
Take a sharp pencil.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright.
Also known as Mario. Hi, I'm trying to...
Tell to stop.
Mario, you're interrupting me. I'm trying to talk now. Do I have permission? Is that okay?
Yes.
I'm telling you, I would like to speak now, okay? Okay. Everybody's going to get 1 piece of paper. How many pieces of paper?
2 pieces of paper.
Andre, how many pieces?
1.
Junior, how many pieces? Junior?
1.
Junior, how do you spell 1?
W-O-N.
How do you spell 1? Okay, technically both right. Mario, we are not writing on the table. You're practicing. I got it. Yes. Dave, how many pieces of paper?
1.
1. Quena, how many pieces of paper?
1.
Good. All right, 1.
So, I told you to
Well, then take 1.
Thanks.
1. 1.
You know, Joe.
1. 1. All right, gentlemen, you all have a brand new pencil. Everybody. Yes, you
Here's
do.
the brand new pencil.
Cool. So
And
here.
don't lose them.
You're right. Here, Mario. We're not starting. No, Mario. Mario. We're talking about the pencils right now. Everybody has all of the same exact materials. So nobody has an excuse that says, but theirs pencil was better than mine. Their paper was better than mine. We all start with this. Mario, no, I'm not done. We all start with the same exact materials. The goal is, listen carefully. So, yeah, you can draw the shadow. But once you have drawn everything the way you would like it to be, Junior, this isn't school. You don't have to make noises while the teacher's talking. Are you ready? Then and only then, we will get the paints ready, and we will get the paints out, and we will paint the colors of the apple. Any questions?
No.
Would you like a paper?
So here it is. You're supposed to draw the plate too, as well.
Yes. For the purpose of this activity, you're drawing the plate as well.
What on the apple?
So you draw the plate and then you draw the...
And you draw the apple. That's it. We are going to be painting it. So if you guys are super focused on all this fine details with your pencil, that's not the point. The pencil is just meant to outline where you would like your painting stuff to go. As much as best as you would like. Any last questions?
No.
So we had the oil. Draw a shadow. Me can't draw a shadow.
Sonia, you can draw whatever you like.
Yeah,
The goal is to draw what you see.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Whatever you see.
good luck. Well, I think we just officially found some sympathy or empathy or as many pathies as we can for art teachers because, wow, we have an eclectic group of artists. Some Picassos, some Monets, some Da Vinci's, who knows, but no, we don't have anyone to help clean up. Party foul. But
You clean up my one, innit?
Sonia cleaned up hers, so thank you, dear. Let's take a look at some art. Take your time. No joke.
Good night, YouTubers.
What?
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 This is where you say goodnight, dear.
Good night, my YouTubers. Love you. Have a good night. Wherever you may be.
My
Good night.
YouTubers. My YouTubers.
Okay, good night, our YouTubers family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's all.